Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It's another edition of What's on the Porch, BoxyCharm Premium edition, and we're just gonna hop right into it. This month's theme for BoxyCharm is Boxy Spring Revival. And of course, I chose two of the items in my box. I was not super incredibly impressed with the options for me to choose. I want makeup. Everybody say it with me. We want makeup. We want makeup. I do not need all of the skincare. All of the skincare is not good for you. You cannot be smearing and slathering all this different stuff all over your face. It's not good for you. Okay, so now moving on. Just had to get that off my chest. So let's start off with the makeup that I did get. I got this Cupid Cheek Duo. This is a Natasha Denona product, and I was really surprised actually that this was in my box. It was unexpected. I do love Natasha Denona products. It's super cute. I don't know why we're getting Cupid, which is like February type stuff, but it is a cream blush and a highlighter, and it is in the shade Glow Cream Rose. That's the blush, and the highlighter is Glow Universal Pinkish Beige, and this retails for $42. Now, I do have a little bit of blush on my cheeks, but you know what? Can you really have too much? That's very pretty. I have a beauty blender and a mirror. Let's just check it out, shall we? Let's see what that's going to look like. That's very light, huh? Come on, Natasha Denona, what you got? Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Oh, that's really pretty. I did not think, that's really pretty, that I was going to like cream blushes. Let's just, I'm gonna try it. Just, I put it on the beauty blender. Let's see what happens. Ooh. But I think, I know that everybody says, oh, cream products. Oh, that puts it on a lot better, doesn't it? Cream products for mature women, but you know, I couldn't get it right, but I'm learning, y'all. I'm a work in progress. Oh, that's really pretty. All right, let's let that dry down just a bit, and then we'll throw some of that highlighter over top of it. I love my BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy brushes, and this concealer brush, which I don't use a lot of concealer. Well, it's rare for me to use any concealer. This is perfect for highlight. I use this for highlight all the time. So let's see. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, that's pretty. It's not crazy. Very pretty, I like it. Very nice. Let's put some on my nose. What you think? Alrighty. So I'm happy with that. And then next, we have one of my choices, which is the Herbivore Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol. Because Leanna knows how to say that word now. I have struggled with that word for so long that the last time I did a video where I had Bakuchiol and I could not know how to say it. I just couldn't. I was saying baklava and bakchui and all kinds, and I made sure that I remembered how to say Bakuchiol. That's right. So this is Bakuchiol. It's a retinol alternative, and I do not want this. I will not be using this because, like I said, too many products, and you can really mess your skin up trying way too many products or putting too many products on at one time. I have a skin care regimen that I am currently using. I'm kind of sort of testing it out just to make sure, because I'm using that agency tretinoin. Is that right? Yeah. So I am doing bare bones skincare products. I picked out a few of my favorites, and I'm going with that for at least 6 months to see what happens. So I'm not adding any new products in. Before, I was adding this, trying that, and using it for a couple of weeks and did not. So I picked this for my daughter because my daughter does not have a skincare routine, and so I know that the Herbivore brand is really good, and I know that Bakuchiol is a good alternative to a retinoid or a retinol, so I'm going to give this to her so that she can start implementing a skincare regimen, because the best thing you can do if you want your makeup to be amazingly perfect is to start with skincare. Take care of your skin. And you should be taking care of your skin as an amazing way to show yourself some self-love. Okay. I don't know how I got back up on the soapbox, but... Okay, so this is naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly fights signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most sensitive skin types, Bakuchiol supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effects, and this retails for $54. So I'll open it and show you what the bottle looks like. It's a nice purple color. My kids are coming to visit with me in June, and my daughter's birthday is in June, so I will add this to her birthday box. And hopefully we can talk Christopher into doing another Mask Monday video. Okay, the next item is this Dr. Brandit Eye Cream, Wrinkle, Dark Circles, and Puffiness. And this, again, was another one of my choices. And I do love my eye creams. So I will put this in the drawer, and when I'm done with what I am currently using, then I will pick this up and try it out. This retails for $82, which I would never pay. Never. I would never pay $82 for an eye cream. It is supposed to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturize the eye area, fade the appearance of dark circles, and reduce the look of puffiness. I have not found an eye cream yet that would do all of those things. There was something that I had gotten that was supposed to reduce puffiness, and it doesn't. Sometimes when I get up, you can see this eye right now is just a little puffy. We are getting into allergy season, and so that always puffs up my eyes, and then I have not been sleeping the way I'm supposed to. That always messes it up, and nothing. None of this stuff has worked. So, but anyway, I do like eye creams. It makes me feel like I'm pampering myself, whether, you know, it works or not, and that's the important part, is how it makes me feel. So the next item is Mitchell and Peach English Leaf Body Oil. This is blended with almond oil and vitamin E. This decadent body oil leaves the skin soft and scented. And this retails for $68, and it says that it is a new product to BoxyCharm. And I will use this. It's a nice size bottle of oil. English Leaf. Let's see what it smells like. It almost has like a lemon type scent to it. Very nice. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand so we can see. It absorbs right into the skin, and as you can see, it does not look oily at all. It doesn't feel oily. It just looks hydrated. And it smells really, really good. It's not too overpowering. It's just a nice, soft scent. So I am excited to try that. That is something that I can go ahead and start using, because it doesn't involve what's going on the face. The next item is MyBeautyBrand Black Liquid Eyeliner. And I have gotten this product several times in BoxyCharm, Ipsy. It seems to end up in lots of the subscription boxes. And actually, I give these to my daughter. She likes them, so I will be throwing this in her birthday box. It is a nice eyeliner, and that retails for $20. It says it's your new Holy Grail product, created for both the eyeliner expert and the winged eye novice. It does have a nice flexible felt pen, and it works really well, and I have used it and I do like it. But I have, as you can imagine, a lot of eyeliners, and so I'm going to pass this along to my daughter. The last thing that I have in my box is this Endota Hydrating Lip Balm. It says, protect your pout with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. With a gorgeous glossy finish, this hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked or chapped lips, or lips. Where did that come from? Oh gosh, that was freaking hilarious. It will soothe cracked or chapped lips and protect skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious. This retails for $25. I have a lot of lip products going on too. And it comes in this little tube. And it has the little applicator tip. Holy moly. I can't get it to come out. Let's see. Seriously? Did they forget to break the seal on the inside? Is it just that thick that it don't want to come out? I can't get it to come out. Oh, there we go. Finally. Holy cow. It is very, very thick. It's really, really thick and savvy. salve. And it smells horrible. What is it with all of these bad smelling things? Which, you know, I'm the person that's like, I don't like a lot of fragrance on my face. But I don't want it to smell bad either. So yeah, I'm not so sure about that. Maybe I'll give that to my daughter too. She won't know. She doesn't watch my videos, So those are all the items in my BoxyCharm box, and the total value of my box is $291. And let me pull up my spreadsheet. Yes, there is a spreadsheet. I pay $35 a month for my box because I signed up for an entire year. And so far this year, I have spent $350, or will spend $350 by the time I get to the end of my subscription. And I have $917 worth of products. You really can't beat it. You really can't. So thank you for hanging out with me for another edition of What's on the Porch BoxyCharm version. If you enjoyed my video, show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, maybe you need this, you know, because it was really thick and hydrating, you know, when you're out in the sun and your lips are getting chapped. And I mean, you know, you'll already have a fishing hook with you so that you can dig down in there and get it out, okay? Maybe I need to start you a box. All right, Mama loves you, boo.